Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of WebTech tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Electrum wallet's password. Before jumping right into our video, if you are watching us for the first time, subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. It is not possible to recover your password on Electrum. However, you can restore your wallet from its seed phrase and choose a new password. But remember that if you lose both of your password and your seed, there is no way to recover your money on Electrum. In order to recover your password with the seed, tap open your Electrum wallet application and launch it on. When asked for your password, simply tap on the cancel button and simply clear your data for your Electrum by holding the application and tapping on the app info option. Now, force stop the application and go to storage. Tap on clear data at the bottom left and from the pop-up select OK. Now, go to the app drawer and tap open Electrum. Once you do that, tap on the next button at the bottom right. From the options, tap on your wallet. Now, when asked to create a new seed or to restore a wallet using an existing seed, tap on I already have a seed. Enter your seed phrase, the one that you took a screenshot of or you wrote down in a piece of paper. Simply type in the phrases in the box using the virtual keyboard. Once you type in your phrases, tap on the next button at the bottom right and then you can enter a new password now. If you lose your password and both of your seed, then you won't be able to recover or reset your password for your Electrum account. If that case arises, then you'll need to create a new account for yourself. Now enter the new password that you would want to reset to and tap on the next button at the bottom right. Confirm the new password by typing it again and tap next one more time. And with this, you have successfully reset your Electrum wallet account in no time. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.